everyone. Today's video is super special because I finally received my first PR package. Honestly, I could not wait. So yes, I already opened it, but I'm still excited to show you what's inside it. I can make a video aesthetic because I already opened it. So the first thing is weightless weightless sunflower from House of Food. Thank you so much House of Food for seeing potential in me. I have heard so many good things about this product. And the next one is also the tropical dew sunscreen from House of Food, obviously. These two products I received today, and honestly I can't wait to try this and share review with you guys. A huge thank you again to House of Food for sending me this amazing PR, and it honestly means world to me. And thank you guys for always supporting me, because this would not have been possible without you guys. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, this video is quite short because I'm so excited to share with you. So this video is quite short and not aesthetic. So thank you for watching. Bye, love you all. I'll share this review. If you don't follow me on TikTok, do follow because I'm sharing my review on TikTok.